Thank you. Yeah, he was not going to be part of this business. But he saw me standing up and he was like, Mommy, I'm coming. I said, then, since Cecilia said that our children, our business, I didn't want to leave my business behind. So anyway, I'm a mother of 5 boys. Yeah, they are all under 10. Clap for me, please. Yeah. So there are so many, so that some of them I carry them on my back. But I always get this question: hey, how is it to raise 5 boys under 10? It's like you're running a child care center with no qualification, no resources. You have to use trial and error. Yeah, but by the way, I've learned that I forget. That's why I have a note. How did I find? I went to the doctor and I said, Doctor, I forget things. Within 1 minute, he said, what did you say? I said, I forgot it. That's how I know, seriously, I'm forgetful. So before I forget what I was going to say, I wrote it here. So, yeah, I had forgotten that I'm from Burundi. I'm from Burundi, and I grew up in a refugee camp in Tanzania. So when I came to Australia, I found English really hard. When I came here, I was telling my friend how hard life was in refugee camp and how sometimes people didn't understand me. And she was like, because one thing I forgot, I didn't have shoes. And then she was like, oh dear, did people there ever try to put themselves in your shoes? Excuse me, how would they put themselves in my shoes if I didn't even have shoes? Yeah, I think something is wrong there. Yeah, I'll go to the next one before I forget. Yeah, thank you. Clap again. It is the best thing I like when I'm on a stage, when people are happy and clapping. So I learned how to swim when I came to Australia. Guess what? I didn't like when the water went in my nose. I could feel it. It was like going straight in my brain. I felt for brainwashed. They go through a lot of pain. I'm sorry for them. So when I came here, the first time someone asked me to mind my own business, I was trying to be honest. I was like, I don't have a business yet. And she was like, you can't be serious. Rubbish. And I was like, no, I can't do rubbish kind of business. That's for city council, you know. They collect rubbish every Tuesday. What do I do then? So she was frustrated and she took off. You know how African, we always think, getting people's business. That was me. And then, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I love that. You give me time to breathe. Yeah. But thank you, but I'm not expecting. This is the food. So the problem is the person who served the food, much food, and thank you for those who didn't turn up. I was able to eat for 3. Yeah, anyways. But I tried to lose this tummy. But anyways, it's not always a bad thing. I love how in Australia, pregnant women are respected. No matter how busy the public transport is, I always get a seat. Because they think I'm pregnant. These people, they can't tell. This is a tummy. And when I go in a bus or a train, to make it visible when I want to sit, and they stand there. I was like, you guys don't understand it. This is food. And when I breastfeed. I eat for 2 people. I have to eat to breastfeed this little man. So that's how this business that stays with me. That's my business. I should be minding it. Anyways, yeah, I don't know if I didn't have this one, what I would be doing here. Anyways, I'm talking about my experience. When I came to Australia, I didn't know anything to do with computer. I didn't have any IT background. So when I came here, I decided to go for computer classes. When I was there, I was late, African timing. So when I was there, the teacher was like, okay, go to where you save your document, save a document. I asked someone sitting next to me how to do it. We saved it. Yes. Yeah, he's calling his mom. So the teacher said, okay, save it. I saved it. Later the teacher was, go where you saved your document and open it. I raised my hand. I was like, what is it? I can't find it. She was like, where did you save it? In this computer. And then she was like, yes, in this computer, but where? I don't know. Okay. She was like, go to my computer. I stood up. I went to her computer. And she was like, no, go to my computer in your computer. I was like, you are confusing me. Since when is your computer in my computer? Anyways, she was like, mouse. And then I jumped up because I'm scared of mice. She was like, no, can I use your mouse to help you? I said, okay. I didn't even think this thing was a mouse. Anyway, she did what she did. It popped up. I was like, magic. And then she said, cross the window. I looked around. The room didn't even have a window. I was like, she was like, okay, you see this small thing there, this cross? Click on it. I clicked on it. Oh, this is window. Anyway, yeah, that was a window. Anyway, yeah, he's learning. And then, okay, you get down in a minute. And then he was like, okay, if we go to your home drive, I was really sad. I didn't want to go home, and I didn't have a driver's license. That's it for today. Anyways, thank you for this opportunity, and thank you for the opportunity of being a community connector. I was able to connect with the community. But for Burundian, before we leave the stage, we dance. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I've got another Burundian here. She's coming to help me. You know what? This thing was not our thing. I told you that I grew up with our shoes. So we dance with our shoes. And then we make that, yeah. Okay, anyway, clap for me for this first performance.